Hello dear viewers, a very warm welcome to our channel. In this video we are going to have a look at bad accelerator pedal sensor symptoms. In older cars there was a cable between the throttle body and the accelerator pedal. Modern cars however use electronic system to send signal from the gas pedal to the electronic control unit and then to the throttle body instead of using cable between the gas pedal and the throttle body. A driver determines the rate of car speed by continually depressing the accelerator pedal, which signals the throttle body to allow more air-fuel mixture get admitted into the cylinder. Most modern cars now have a throttle position sensor called TPS and the accelerator pedal position sensor. Like most electrical and mechanical vehicle components, a failing or faulty accelerator pedal position sensor will showcase a series of signs that will alert the driver that there is a problem. Accelerator pedal position sensor problems are listed in this video. Let's have a look at some of the most common ones. 1. Car hesitates to move when the pedal is depressed. This symptom is easy to detect as you eventually get familiar with how your car responds to pressing gas pedal. If you feel the car is hesitating to move, your accelerator pedal sensor could be failing. When you press down the gas pedal, your engine should respond directly and instantly. However, when a problem is there with the accelerator pedal position sensor, the vehicle's ability to consistently accelerate and decelerate as directed by the driver is reduced. This would cause a serious safety hazard as the driver is not able to control the speed of the vehicle or acceleration of the car. When this occurs, you should pull your vehicle to a safe place off the road and inspect why the throttle control is not working and why the vehicle is not responding consistently. 2. Rough idle. If your vehicle does not run consistently on idle, there are chances that you have a faulty accelerator pedal position sensor. A perfectly working accelerator pedal position sensor is necessary for good fuel delivery and consistent or smooth idling. At idle speed, the engine should run smoothly without considerable shaking and consumes little fuel. If your car is unable to idle smoothly, a bad accelerator pedal sensor could be the reason. 3. Inconsistent acceleration. When you depress the gas pedal, your engine should respond immediately. But if the accelerator pedal position sensor fails, the car's ability to instantly accelerate or decelerate as the driver depresses the gas pedal will drastically reduce. This can cause road hazard as the driver does not have complete control of the vehicle. If your car is only able to accelerate up to a point and won't go faster beyond that speed, your accelerator pedal position sensor is not able to send position signal accurately, which causes your car not to speed up beyond a point of pressing the gas pedal. 4. Poor automatic transmission shifting. A malfunctioning accelerator pedal position sensor will send a false signal to the transmission computer. Depressing a gas pedal with a bad sensor will give delay signals or varying signals, leading to poor gear shifting. 5. Bad fuel consumption. When the accelerator pedal position sensor is not functioning properly, it will also cause problems with the fuel efficiency. Besides monitoring and applying throttle pressure to the throttle body, the accelerator pedal position sensor also helps stabilize throttle control. It is designed to take input from the driver, but steady the application of fuel pressure as it relays the information to the electronic control unit or to the throttle body of the vehicle. 5. Bad fuel consumption. When the accelerator pedal position sensor is not functioning properly, it will also cause problems with fuel efficiency. Besides monitoring and applying throttle pressure to the throttle body, the accelerator pedal position sensor also helps stabilize the throttle control. If there is a problem with the throttle position sensor, the engine does not run effectively, it will negatively affect your fuel consumption. If you see low gas mileage, it could mean that the car accelerator pedal position sensor and throttle position sensor are working, but they are not working as accurate as they should. So, increased mileage or increased fuel consumption can also be an indication of bad accelerator pedal position sensor. 6. Check engine light. Since the accelerator pedal position sensor is an electrical component monitored by the car computer, it will trigger a fault code on the computer when something goes wrong. If the engine control unit suspects that one of the sensors is broken or sending out a wrong signal, it will light up the check engine light. You will be able to notice there is a registered fault when the check engine light comes on. A malfunctioning accelerator pedal position sensor will register P2135 diagnostic trouble code. The ECU will signal the check engine light to illuminate on the dashboard. So, if your check engine light is on, you should definitely check the trouble code with an automotive scan tool. 7. Your vehicle does not accelerate over a certain speed limit. If your car accelerates up to a point and won't go above that speed, it indicates that your accelerator pedal position sensor is not able to send accurate throttle position signals. The result is poor engine performance. Now you know one of the major causes of inconsistent acceleration: rough idling or car working fine but won't accelerate beyond a certain speed limit, and problems with the automatic transmission shifting. Always watch out for a lousy acceleration pedal position sensor and fix it right away. Well, dear viewers, these are some of the top symptoms of bad accelerator pedal position sensor. This is all we have for you in this video. If you enjoyed what has been presented, please smash the like button. If you are new here, do consider subscribing and turn on notifications so that you will be the first to get notified whenever we come up with another video. Until then, stay safe.